Hi friends! It's Sunday setup time. But first, if this is your first time watching me, hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Gia and I'm a working mom who posts all types of videos. I would love for you to join my YouTube family by clicking the subscribe button down below as well as the little bell next to it. And for those already subscribed, welcome back. So if you are new to my Sunday setup kind of video, it's a video like a vlog where I show you how I prepare myself and my family for the up and coming work and school week. So on today's Sunday setup, we have a few errands to run. I have to we're gonna go to like Ross and TJ Maxx or Target, and I have to do both the girls' hair. I gotta pick out their clothes. I have to pack. We're getting ready to go on a trip very soon, so I'm gonna start packing. I have to pack. Well, Charles and I are just going on a trip. It's like a couple's trip, but I still have to pack the girls to stay with my mom and dad for the week. So we have a lot to do today, to say the least. So we're starting. The girls are with my parents right now. We're getting ready to go to Ross. I mean, leave a comment down below and let me know, what do you like better? TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross? Put it in the order of what you like. For me personally, as far as a shopping experience, I would rank it TJ Maxx, Marshalls, then Ross. Prices though, I would rank it Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx. Ross, they all sell the same thing, but it's much cheaper at Ross if you can find it at Ross. It's like kind of going through a rummage sale. It's just like nothing is kind of organized. You just have to like kind of look through each, you know, rack to find something. If you're in the mood for that, you can find good deals. But if not, you'd rather just go to TJ Maxx where everything's a little bit more organized and it's easier to find stuff, but you're just gonna pay a little bit more for it. But today we're going to Ross. So, because that's what's over here. We may go to Marshalls, and like I said, I have to run into Target to exchange a few t-shirts that I bought and buy, I don't think I need anything else as far as toiletry wise from Target. I think some toothpaste. And yeah, so let's head into Ross. How cute are these? I love that they have a lid and they're stackable. They'd be perfect for like underneath the sink or whatever. They are $2.99. Not bad. That's not what I came in here for, so I gotta stay focused though. This is what I mean when you have to literally dig and dig and dig. So they're just kind of organized by size, not by style, or whether it's fancy or casual. You know, you just have to dig through them, but there's some gems in here. Is anyone like me where you have to try on everything? It could be like a t-shirt, but you have to try it on. Y'all, I managed to leave Target and only get 2 things. And I was able to return those shirts I bought and just bought 2 things. Like, that has never happened to me before. So that's definitely a win. Now I'm walking down to meet Charles at Marshalls. We're at Shoe Carnival. I'm gonna get myself some Nike slides for our trip and get these. They're cute. Plus they're on sale. All right, so we're back home. It's like 3:30. The girls are here and I'm really sleepy. Like, I would love to take an afternoon nap. It's just the weather, it's like so gray outside, so cloudy, it's raining, pouring rain. It's just one of those days where you can just watch TV, put a good movie on and fall asleep on it. But I can't do that. So I've got like 1 more load of laundry to do. I've been doing really good on the laundry this week, so I only have like 1 load of laundry to do. 2 loads to fold. Well, really 1 load to fold. And then I gotta do the biggest thing is their hair. I've gotta do their hair and I've gotta pick out their clothes. All right, before I do their hair, I'm gonna fold their clothes, all these clothes, pick out their clothes for the week and start laying out stuff for the week that we go on vacation to pack. By the way, guys, you can download my free Sunday setup checklist, and it'll show what I do every week, and then it's a space for you to create your own Sunday setup checklist for you and your family. The link for that is in the description box. So I guess I'll start folding. I got their clothes all picked out. I'm gonna put it in our clothes organizer in the closet, and now I'm gonna get folding. Oh, when laundry attacks, we're surrounded by clothes. Oh. We are all done. I'll leave a link in the description box where you can get this off of Amazon. All right, I got both hair washed. I bought these terry cloth towels from the Dollar Tree and I love them because it doesn't like dry their hair out. I posted a whole video about how our curly hair routine that I do for the girls, usually every other week. You can tap this eye right here to watch it. So now I'm gonna style Ava's hair. Finally done. Let's see, I started this at 6. Started braiding at 6. It's 8:17. But we also had to stop. We just picked something up for dinner because it was just too much that I had to do today. Turn around, baby. Let me see. Ooh, pretty girl. I love it. Of course you can go look in the mirror. Now I gotta do this one, but we're just gonna do something really fast because they gotta get in the bed. Okay, all done. Now it's 8:37 and it's time for the girls to brush their teeth. We do our devotional and get in the bed. Turn around, baby. Beautiful. Oh, y'all. Okay, so the kids are in bed and I'm exhausted. Charles and I went out last night. We didn't get home till like, I want to say like 2:30 in the morning, and then we got up at like 8:30. I actually vlogged our date night. You can tap this eye right here to watch it. It was like a couple's date night. But anyway, I'm really tired. I still have a few things to do. Their bag for tomorrow is packed. For those that don't know, my dad does come and pick the girls up in the morning at 7 and takes them home, and my parents get them dressed and take them to school and everything. I know, such a blessing. We are so thankful. And so I have their bag packed, but I do have to pack their lunch in the morning. I need to pack up my work bag in the morning, and that's it. I'm not gonna pick out, like, I kind of have an idea what I'm gonna wear to work tomorrow, so that's good. I won't be like walking around my closet like, what the heck am I gonna wear, you know? Because it's still kind of cool here in Georgia. It's like warm one day and then like really cold the next, so it's just, spring just isn't all the way here yet. But yeah, that's it, guys. So make sure you download, like I said, the free Sunday setup checklist so you guys can create a Sunday setup for you and your family, a routine that works for you guys. But leave a comment down below and let me know what are some of the things that you like to do every Sunday to prepare yourself for the up and coming week. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, you can tap my picture up above, and you can also check out my previous video right over here. And all of my social media platforms all listed down below. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.